Is your Nissan Ariya's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the proximity antenna, door switches, and app settings. Let's address these one by one. First, the proximity antenna. It detects your key fob. Interference from things like garage door openers or even other vehicles can cause false triggers. Try parking in a different spot to see if that helps. If not, a dealership visit might be needed to replace the antenna. Second, check your door switches. These can fail due to wear, moisture, or manufacturing defects. Ensure all doors are fully closed. If the problem persists, have the switches inspected for damage. Finally, review your Nissan Connect app settings. Outdated versions or incorrect settings like proximity unlock can cause issues. Update the app and recalibrate your settings. Remember to check the app cache and reset if needed, as Nissan forums show this fixes many alarm issues. For best results, proactively update apps and avoid interference sources. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B10A0 for door switch faults. Nissan has released numerous OTA software updates to address these issues. Ensure your Ariya has the latest version. Nissan's firmware version 3.5.1 has reportedly reduced false triggers by 70%. If problems persist, especially with 2022-2024 models, a dealership visit for hardware inspection is recommended. Looking ahead, Nissan plans to integrate AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent false alarms. However, avoid third-party accessories that might interfere with sensors. If door switch issues continue, waterproof seals may be needed, especially after exposure to rain. Stay informed on potential recalls, like the 2024 recall, NCHISA campaign number 24V-028, targeting door latch misalignment. Regularly update your Nissan Connect app and be aware of potential environmental factors causing signal interference. By staying proactive, you can minimize these annoying alarm issues.